Hey everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show how can you boost FPS in Rocket League. Rocket League is one of the games that are not that heavy like demand and wants a great PC. But some people would like to play the game on lower end PCs. So I'll show you how you can do this. First of all, one big thing you need to do is just to make sure that all of these background apps are closed except Epic Games, okay, or Steam, whatever you're using. Second of all, is actually clicking on Windows S and then searching for Device Manager. Once you search for Device Manager, you make sure that all the devices over here are up to date to the latest drivers. Okay. Another thing you need to make sure is go into NVIDIA Control Panel, and once you're in NVIDIA Control Panel, you're going to click on Adjust settings with preview, and then you're going to make sure that use my preference emphasizing and make sure it's performance. Now another thing is just to make sure over here is on the adjust desktop size and position. You scroll down and make sure you're using your highest ever your highest resolution, okay, your highest refresh rate. Okay, one thing also you can do is actually going on to control panel, and from control panel make sure this is large icons, and from large icons the power options, and from power options make sure this is on high performance. Ultimate performance is not recommended for low end PCs, so I would highly recommend you to use high performance. Okay, now once you have that, make sure to tune down the graphics in Rocket League. It's actually going to really help you boost your performance. With those other tips that I gave you, you're going to have a massive boost in FPS. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.